In today's unit, we're going to talk about our homes. We're going to work on descriptions along with some common questions. Let's get started. Let's look at an example. This is my kitchen. There are 2 windows. 1, 2. There are 2 windows. There's a pot, there's a bowl, there's a table. The pot is on the table. The berries are in the bowl. The bowl is on the table. There are some flowers. This is a table. This is a counter. The cups are on the counter. The dishes are in the sink. The dirty dishes are in the sink. There are 6 shoes inside. There are 2 shoes outside. All right, wait a moment. Let's slow down a little bit. Now we'll take a look at all of those sentences in a little more detail. This is. We use the words this is or these are when we're introducing someone or something. This is my house. This is my room. This is my bedroom. This is my living room. This is my kitchen. This is a pot. This is a spoon. There is, there are. We use the phrases there is and there are to describe the existence of something. There is singular. There is a table. There's one table. Both of these sentences are correct. We can use the word a or one. One emphasizes the amount or the number. There is a bed. There is one bed. There is a lamp. There is a clock. There is a book. There is a pot. There is a bowl. There is a table. There is a sink. There is a stove. There is a door. There is a chair. There is a fridge. We often contract, so there is becomes there's. There's a table. There's a pot. There's a bowl. There's a table. There's a sink. There's a stove. There's a door. There's a chair. There's a fridge. There's a sofa. There's a green table. And there's a brown table. There's a lamp. There's a banana. When we look at the plural, we're talking about 2 or more objects. There are some flowers. There are 5 flowers. 5 emphasizes the number of flowers. There are 2 windows. 1 window, 2 windows. There are 2 windows. There are 2 tables. 1, 2. There are flowers on the green table. There are some pencils. There are towels. There are towels on the sofa. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 towels on the sofa. There are 3 children. There are 3 children on the bed. There are 3 silly children on the bed. Is there? So, now we have there is and there are. How will we make a question? Let's take a look at the singular one more time. There is a table. If we want to make a yes-no question, we do something called a yes-no flip. We take the first two parts of the sentence and we flip them. Is there? Is there a table? What are we missing? That's right, the question mark. Is there a table? And notice how the intonation changes. Instead of there is a table, we now have a rising intonation. Is there a table? That's the yes-no flip. Is there a table? Remember, in English, the more important words are bigger. The more important words are louder. The more important words are longer. Is there a table? Yes. You could also say yeah, or sometimes even uh-huh. Yes, there is. Yes, there is a table. Yes, there's a table. All of these answers are correct. Are there? So we already know how to describe the existence of something, singular and plural. There is a table, there are some flowers. And we talked about how we make the question in the singular. We do the yes-no flip. Is there? Any guesses? What do you think there are some flowers becomes? Let's check it out. There are some flowers. We take the first two parts and we flip them. Are there? Are there some flowers? And always remember, you need that question mark. Now we're missing something. While this sounds okay, it's definitely more correct if we switch the word some to the word any. Are there any flowers? And that is how we do the yes-no flip. So, how do we answer this question? Are there any flowers? Yes. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yes, there are. Yes, there are some flowers. Notice here how we use the word some in the answer, but we use the word any in the question. Last option. Yes, there are 5 flowers. We often contract there is, there's, but we don't contract there are because and are sound so much alike. There are. These all are correct. How many? How many tables are there? This question is not a yes-no question. This time our answer is going to be a number. There's 1 table. How many flowers are there? There are 5 flowers. There's 1 chair. 1. There are 2 pots. 1, 2. There are 2 cups. 1, 2. There's 1 door. 1. There are 2 windows. 1, 2. There are shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 shoes. Up. Outside, there are more shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 shoes. There are 6 shoes inside. There are 2 shoes outside. How many pencils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many books are there? 1. How many bananas are there? 1. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 towels on the sofa. The book is blue. When we make descriptive sentences, we use the word to be. You might remember this from Unit 1. The word to be is I am, you are, she is, he is, it is. We are, you are, and they are. In this lesson, since we're describing things, we're mostly going to use it is and they are. It is. The book is blue. It is blue. In English, it's very common to use contractions. We have I'm, your, she's, he's, and its. Just a reminder, anything that I've written between these two lines is the pronunciation. This is not the actual spelling, it's the phonetic spelling. So it might help you figure out how to say the word. The pronunciation of she's is she's. He's is he's, and its is its. For the plurals, we have we're, your, their. And in Durham and in other areas across the South, it's very common to hear this. Y'all are. It's not wrong, it's just different. Let's look at the sentences again, this time with contractions. The book's blue. It's blue. It's blue. The banana is yellow. It's yellow. The pencils are yellow. This time we're going to look at they are. The pencils are yellow. They are yellow. Let's take a look at it one more time, this time with the contraction. There. The pencils are yellow. They're yellow. They're yellow. The flowers are pretty. The flowers are pink. The walls are green. The walls are dark green. Is? In this lesson, we already did a yes-no question. Do you remember how we made our yes-no question? That's right, we did the yes-no flip. So when we want to ask a question and the answer of the question will be yes or no, take the first two parts, the pot and the verb is, and we flip them. Is the pot big? And don't forget, add that question mark. That's how we do the yes-no flip. Let's look at how we would answer this question. Is the pot big? Yes. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yes, it is. Yes, the pot is big. Yes, it's big. Is this pot big? Is the pot big?
Yes. Yes. Sort of.
Sort of. Is the book blue?
Yes.
Oscar, is the book blue?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it blue?
Yeah.
Is it blue?
Yeah.
Let's make a question one more time using the plural. The dishes are clean. Remember, we do the yes-no flip. We take the first part, the dishes, and flip it with the second part, the verb, are. Are the dishes clean? And don't forget, add that question mark. That's how we do the yes-no flip. Are the dishes clean? Yes. Yes, they are. Yes, the dishes are clean. Yes, they're clean. We've been asking a lot of yes-no questions, but we've only been answering yes. So what happens if we want to answer and say no? No, it isn't. No, they aren't. When we want to describe what something is not, we use the verb to be and we add the word not. Not. I am not. You are not. She is not. He is not. It is not. We are not. You are not. They are not. Remember the pronunciation of the word is. Is, short I. In Durham, it's very common to hear the word y'all. This means you, plural. Y'all are not. It's not wrong, it's just different. Let's take a look at the negative to be with contractions. I'm not. You're not. She's not. He's not. It's not. We're not. You're not. They're not. You also might see this one in Durham. Y'all are not. Just a reminder, the T makes the S turn back into an S. It's. More contractions. Okay, there's also one more way we can make contractions using the word to be. Instead of contracting the first two, you are not, you're not. This time we combine the second two, am not, are not, is not. So we get these variations. I am not, you aren't, she isn't, he isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't. In Durham, there are two other variations you might hear. This contraction you won't often find in a book, especially not a grammar book, but it's often used in the South. It's I ain't. You'll also hear across the South, y'all aren't. Okay, so let's put these into action. Is the pot big? When we said yes, the answers were yes, yes it is, yes the pot is big, yes it's big. How about if we say no? Let's look at the negative. Is the pot big? No, nope, or No, it's not. No, it isn't. Notice how both of those options use the contraction. No, the pot's not big. No, the pot isn't big. Is the book green? No, the book's not green. It's blue. Is the banana pink? No, the banana's not pink. It's yellow. Is this book blue?
No.
What color is it?
White.
Is it pink?
No.
Is the pot big?
No.
Are the dishes clean? This is more than one, so we use the word are. Are the dishes clean? No. Nope. No, they're not. No, they aren't. No, the dishes aren't clean. Are the dishes clean?
No.
The dishes are clean.
No, they aren't. They're dirty.
The dishes are clean.
No, they aren't.
No, they aren't.
They're dirty.
They're dirty. Hey, these dishes are dirty.
No, they aren't. They're clean.
Are the pencils red? No, the pencils aren't red. They're yellow. Where's the spoon? The spoon is on the pot. Where's the spoon? Where is the spoon? The spoon's on the pot. The spoon is on the pot. Where's the spoon? The spoon is next to the pot. Where's the spoon? Where is the spoon? The spoon's next to the pot. The spoon is next to the pot. Where's the spoon? The spoon is in the pot. Where's the spoon? Where is the spoon? The spoon's in the pot. The spoon is in the pot. Where's the spoon? The spoon is under the pot. Where's the spoon? Where is the spoon? The spoon's under the pot. The spoon is under the pot. The clock is on the table. The book is next to the clock. The book is in front of the lamp. The book is on the table. The pot is on the table. Pot. The pot is on the counter. Soap. The soap is next to the sink. The bowl is on the table. Where's the spoon?
On the lid.
Hey Lucy, where's the spoon?
In the pot?
Ah, the spoon's in the pot.
Where are? Let's take a moment to change this singular question asking about one object to a plural question asking about two or more objects. So when we make the plural, what's the first thing we do? That's right. We add the S. So now we have, where is the spoons? Wait a moment, that's not quite right. What's wrong? Yes, we need to change is, the singular, to are, the plural. Where are the spoons? Where are the spoons? The spoons are on the pot. Remember, we use S with R.
The spoons are on the pot.
Where are the spoons? The spoons are next to the pot.
The spoons are next to the pot.
Where are the spoons? The spoons are in the pot.
The spoons are in the pot.
Where are the spoons? The spoons are under the pot.
The spoons are under the pot. There are 3 children on the bed. The pink flowers are next to the lamp. There are towels on the sofa. There's a banana on the table. There's some pencils on the table. There's a book on the table. The berries are in the bowl. Counter. This is a table. This is a counter. The cups are on the counter. The dishes are in the sink. In. Shoes. The shoes are under the chair.
Adjectives everywhere. There is a book. The book is blue. There is a blue book. There is a blue book. There is a book blue. No. There is a blue book. Let's take a look at another example. The banana is on the table. The banana is yellow. The yellow banana is on the table. Not the banana yellow. No. The yellow banana. One more example. There are 3 children. The children are happy. There are 3 happy children. This is an irregular plural. 1 child, 2 children.
There's a book. The book is blue. There's a blue book. The banana is on the table. The banana is yellow. The yellow banana is on the table. There are flowers on the green table. The flowers are pink. The pink flowers are on the green table. There are 3 children. The children are happy. There are 3 happy children. There are 3 children. There are 3 sad children. The small pot is on the table. The big pot is on the counter. The clean dishes are in the cabinet. The clean dishes are in the cabinet. The dirty dishes are in the sink.
Now that we've looked at each of the sentences in a bit more detail, let's look at the example again. This is my living room.
This is my living room. There's a sofa. There are 2 tables. 1, 2. There's a green table and there's a brown table. There are flowers on the green table. The flowers are pretty. The flowers are pink. The pink flowers are on the green table. There's a lamp. The pink flowers are next to the lamp. There are towels. There are towels on the sofa. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 towels on the sofa. What's on the table? What's on the table? There's a banana. There are some pencils. And there's a book. There's a banana on the table. There's some pencils on the table. There's a book on the table. How many pencils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many books are there? 1. How many bananas are there? 1. How many tables are there? 1, 2.
This is my bedroom.
This is my room. This is my bedroom. There is a bed. There is 1 bed. There are 2 windows. 1 window, 2 windows. There are 2 windows. The walls are green. The walls are dark green. There is a lamp. The lamp is on the table. There is a clock. The clock is on the table. There is a book. The book is next to the clock. The book is in front of the lamp. The book is on the table. There are 3 children. There are 3 children on the bed. There are 3 silly children on the bed.
This is my kitchen.
There are 2 windows. 1, 2. There are 2 windows. There's a pot, there's a bowl, there's a table. The pot is on the table. The berries are in the bowl. The bowl is on the table. There are some flowers. This is a table. This is a counter. The cups are on the counter. The dishes are in the sink. The dirty dishes are in the sink. There are 6 shoes inside. There are 2 shoes outside.
Nice work, everyone!